everyone. Welcome to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today we're going to cook dinner with this frozen bag of PF Chang's home menu chicken lo mein. So we're going to find out what this tastes like. I'm looking forward to it. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just open it up. I looked at it. It looks pretty healthy. I'm trying to be healthy. I always tell everybody, you know, I'm a diabetic, so I try to do what's going to be healthy. A little difficult to open the bag. Seems to be a fairly tough aluminum foil material. Okay. And what you do is you put this in a frying pan and you cook it on medium heat for about 12 minutes. And then check it with a thermometer to make sure it's 165 degrees. Your meat has to be 165. So we'll take a break while I throw this on the burner and be back with you shortly. Okay everyone, I've pulled it off, cooked it at 12 minutes on medium heat. Had to watch it because even on medium heat it was a little hot and it wanted to stick to the pan. And the pan I used was a green ceramic and it even had a little bit of cooking spray oil in it. I was going to use it for a different project and I ended up not. So I'd recommend keep an eye on it. But you have to also check with a thermometer the temperature, and it has small pieces of meat in it. And it's a little difficult if you're just cooking this once or your first time until you get the hang of it. What I overall did come up with was by putting the thermometer in the product as a whole, it was over 165. So I think I'm okay. At first I thought I might throw it in the microwave and just, you know, nuke the meat just to finish cooking the meat. But for a quick meal, just buying this, it's in the freezer, pull it out, put it in the frying pan on a day when I worked late and I just want something quick, but I want a good meal. I don't want to just eat some grilled cheese or something. It has, for the whole package, 30 grams of fat, and trans fat is 0. Cholesterol for the whole package is 60. Per serving, it's only 30. Now, like all Oriental type food, it's going to be high in sodium. You got to know that going in. I hate to tell you, if you eat a donut, it's going to be high in sugar. But if you have a Diet Coke with it, it's probably okay. So in sodium, per serving, it's 930 milligrams. The whole package is 1850. As far as carbs go, it's 58 grams per serving and 115 for the whole bag. For fiber, it's pretty good, 9 grams. And sugar, it's 25 grams. You know, you can decide how comfortable you are with that. I think, in all honesty, it has good things in it, like vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. So the potassium it has is 800 milligrams. So I think overall, for a treat once in a while, I think this is pretty good. It's probably not as healthy as me just making my chicken and cooking chicken and having vegetables and salad, but for a quick meal, there you go. Okay, be sure to subscribe, and I'll send you the ingredients and the instructions along with it if you subscribe to my channel. I'll email them to you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.